guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Poushali Ghosh and I know it's been a long time since I upload my previous video, and today is my birthday, so I thought why not film a video for you guys and have some fun. So today I'm gonna create a soft glam makeup look, and yeah, if you are interested then keep on watching. So I already did my base makeup. I use this foundation. This is the Kryolan TV pen stick, and after that I set my face with this Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, and I contour my face with the same palette. So firstly I am going to apply some base makeup on my eyelid, and for that I am using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330 Toffee. So after that I'm going to take the contouring shade from the palette and apply that all over in my eyelid. So for the crease I'm going to take these kinds of brown shades, and you can use any brown shade that you have. So I also take these dark shades from the palette and use those shades on my crease. So after repeating the same process, I'm going to take the orange and this brown shade and place those shade in the mid part of my eyes. And by the way, I am using the same brush and just cleaning the brush in a tissue paper. And I did this nail paint by myself. Let me know if you like my nail polish or not. So now coming to the main part, which is this Swiss Beauty metallic eyeshadow, and this is in the shade, I think 3 or 4 maybe, I don't know exactly. Oh, this is in the shade 4, Smoky Storm, and this retails for 200 bucks, and this is really cheap eyeshadow, and I don't know how it is because I'm going to use this for the first time, so finger crossed. I don't know this eyeshadow will going to be dry out super fast or not, so I'm going to use the eyeshadow one by one. What the I mean, this is brand new. I never used this before, and this is what happened. So finally, this is super pigmented, by the way. So these eyeshadows dry out super fast, and I really like the fact that how the eyeshadow looking on my eyes, and this is really glittery but not that big glitter particles are there, but yeah, this is definitely glittery and giving me kind of a soft glam vibe. And another thing that I also like about this eyeshadow, that I applied the eyeshadow from my finger. So the from the finger this eyeshadow came off really easily, especially when it comes to glitter. Glitter particles don't comes off that easily, so this is a good thing. And I don't like the packaging, except the packaging everything is kind of good. So now I'm going to use this Maybelline gel liner. I applied the gel liner in my other eye and some kajal underneath. So the main thing is that I'm going to use this blue shade in my lower lash line, and if you know me then you probably know that I never wear anything that colorful shade on my eyes for like forever. So this is my first time I'm going to use some colorful shade in my eyes, so finger crossed for that. Wow. I'm going to build the color a little bit. Is this me? Oh my god, who is she? She looks like a brand new person. Okay, so now I'm going to use this highlighter from Shivana and a little bit in my inner eyes. I don't think that I need much highlighter today because the base is already kind of glowy, but it's my birthday, okay? So why not? Why not a little bit? Just teeny tiny, छोटा छोटा सा. Oh, oh no, I forgot to apply the blush, but okay, हो जाता है. So I'm going to use the blush from Sugar and the color is 03 Mauve Marble. This is how the shade looks like. I think I'm going to apply a lip gloss today because I'm going to stay at home and not wear a mask, so why not? This is too much. I know why this lip shade looks so loud on the camera, but in real this is not looking that loud, you know what I mean. This is kind of a wine shade, but in camera I don't know why it looks kind of a orangey tone. And to complete my look I'm going to use this mascara from Lakme, iconic curling mascara, and this is amazing. You see, the mascara is amazing. So I dimmed my lip gloss a little bit, and now at least it don't look like I'm drinking someone's blood and shoot a YouTube video. And if you like my video, then subscribe to my channel and like this video, because why not? It's my birthday and I tried a little different from my comfort zone. So yeah, if you like this video, then please like kar do yaar and subscribe kar do. And this is the final look, and tell me how I am looking. Take care, stay tuned, and I love you all. Bye bye.